Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. The iPhone X in this video has not shown from front camera, but the rear camera is normal. This is usually a problem with a display handset module. Let's take apart the machine and check it out. Unscrew the two fixing screws at the rear. Use the pick to open the screen gap. After covering the screw, unscrew the cable cover screws and remove the cover. Disconnect the battery cable, screen cable, and the earpiece cable. Remove the screen and remove the front earpiece module. It can be seen that the cable is broken, which should be the problem. We take out a new cable and move the components on the problem cable to the new cable. Remove all the floor light components, ambient light IC and handset on the problem cable. Retain the floor light assembly and install the new cable. The ambient light IC is also tightened and installed on the cable, and the same is true for the earpiece assembly. After the components are installed, put them back on the screen. Tighten the set screws. Then pass the new screen glue and start installing the screen. Fasten the screen cable, handset cable, and the battery cable. Install the cover plate and tighten the cover plate screws. Clean the inside of the phone. Close the phone screen. Press the screen to install. Unscrew the two screws at the end. Turn it on now and test it. You can see that the front camera sound has returned to normal. Let's test the Face ID again. The Face ID can also be unlocked normally, so the repair of this iPhone is over.